Korean BBQ has become a beloved cooking style for many food enthusiasts around the world. The unique experience of grilling meat at your table, paired with a variety of side dishes, creates an interactive and flavorful dining experience. This Techef Stovetop Korean BBQ non-stick grill pan with Agni portable gas stove burner aims to bring this delightful experience right into your home. Made in Korea, this product promises outstanding performance, exceptional quality, and healthy cooking options. Let's dive into a detailed review to see if it lives up to its promises. The Techef Korean BBQ grill pan is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. The pan is made from heavy-gauge aluminum, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick surface is coated with a 5-layered Teflon Select, touted as one of the finest and safest non-stick coatings available. This makes the cooking process smooth and easy, preventing food from sticking and allowing for effortless cleanup. One of the standout design features of this grill pan is its unique swirled channel and dome-shaped bottom structure. This design helps drain excess grease away from the food, promoting healthier cooking by reducing fat and calorie content. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are mindful of their diet and want to enjoy delicious grilled meats without guilt. The Agni portable gas stove burner complements the grill pan with its slim and stylish design. It boasts a high power output of 2,800 kilocalories per hour, 11,500 BTU, ensuring that your grill heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The auto piezoelectric ignition system adds convenience, allowing you to start cooking with a simple push of a button. When it comes to performance, the Techef Stovetop Korean BBQ grill pan and Agni portable gas stove burner do not disappoint. The high power output of the stove burner ensures that the grill pan heats up rapidly, allowing you to start cooking almost immediately. The even heat distribution provided by the heavy-gauge aluminum pan ensures that your food cooks evenly, avoiding hot spots that can burn your food. The non-stick surface performs exceptionally well, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Even with minimal oil, meats and vegetables do not stick to the pan, and the swirled channel design effectively drains excess grease, resulting in healthier and more flavorful dishes. This design is particularly effective when cooking fatty cuts of meat like pork belly, as it prevents the meat from sitting in its grease. Using the Techef Korean BBQ grill pan with the Agni portable gas stove burner provides an enjoyable and interactive cooking experience. The grill pan's large surface area allows you to cook multiple items at once, perfect for entertaining guests or preparing a variety of dishes for family meals. The high power of the burner ensures that you can achieve a good sear on your meats, locking in juices and flavor. The grease draining system is highly effective, and the dome-shaped bottom ensures that grease is funneled away from the food and into the drainage channels. This not only makes your meals healthier, but also adds to the overall flavor by preventing grease from overpowering the taste of the meat. The portability of the gas stove burner is another significant advantage. It is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for outdoor BBQs, camping trips, or simply moving from the kitchen to the dining table. The slim design also means it doesn't take up much space, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. One of the key selling points of the Techef Korean BBQ grill pan is its focus on healthy cooking. The non-stick surface allows you to cook with minimal oil, reducing calorie intake. The swirled channel and dome-shaped bottom design effectively drain excess grease from the food, further reducing fat content. This makes the grill pan an excellent choice for those following a low-fat diet or anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. Additionally, the Teflon Select coating is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring that your food is cooked safely. This focus on health and safety is particularly important for families who want to ensure that their cooking tools are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Cleanup is often a concern with grilling, but the Techef Korean BBQ grill pan makes this task easy. Thanks to the high-quality non-stick coating, food residues do not cling to the pan, allowing for quick and easy cleaning. Most of the time, a simple wipe with a damp cloth or a gentle wash with soapy water is all that's needed to keep the pan clean. The portable gas stove burner is also easy to maintain. Its sleek design means there are no hard-to-reach areas, and any spills or splatters can be wiped away effortlessly. The durability of the materials used in both the grill pan and the stove burner ensures that they will stand up to regular use and remain in excellent condition for years to come. Conclusion: the Techef Stovetop Korean BBQ non-stick grill pan with Agni portable gas stove burner is an outstanding product that brings the authentic Korean BBQ experience to your home. Its thoughtful design, high performance, and focus on healthy cooking make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned BBQ enthusiast or a beginner looking to explore new cooking styles, this grill pan and stove burner set offers everything you need for a delightful grilling experience. The combination of durability, ease of use, and portability makes this product versatile and convenient. From indoor family meals to outdoor BBQs and camping trips, the Techef grill pan and gas stove burner are up to the task. If you're in the market for a high-quality, efficient, and stylish Korean BBQ grill pan, the Techef Stovetop Korean BBQ non-stick grill pan with Agni portable gas stove burner is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, cooking tips, and kitchen gadget recommendations. Share your experiences with the Techef Korean BBQ grill pan in the comments below, and let us know your favorite recipes to cook on this amazing grill. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy grilling!